Here's pieces of seam opal from Lightning Ridge. They might make some doublets with some of this. This piece is quite solid, so it'll make a solid stone. A couple of these other pieces perhaps might be better to look at making them into a doublet. That bit's quite big, so it's got a few crazes on it, but whether they come out. A couple of these bits I've just thrown in. If something comes of it, well and good. Little stone there on the top. Nice little bit of crystal. It's only thin but quite nice. Make a little doublet out of that. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.